Bangkok's ICONSIAM shopping complex is celebrating the reopening of Thailand with a fest featuring Thai delicacies. The event runs until November 14. The event aims to stimulate the economy, promote tourism, and relieve entrepreneurs' burden from the COVID-19 fallout. The event features food and other products from more than 50 small businesses in Bangkok, Thailand. Those visiting, including me, strictly complied with the measures to curb the spread of COVID-19. Join me in this amazing experience taking part in Bangkok's Food Festival.